Google Slides is one of the most popular free presentation tools out there. But is it actually good enough compared to PowerPoint or other alternatives? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know in a simple and honest way. What is Google Slides? Google Slides is a web based presentation tool from Google. It lets you create, edit, and share presentations online using a browser. It's part of Google Workspace and works smoothly with Google Drive, Docs, and Sheets. Key features. First, collaboration is its biggest strength. Multiple people can edit a presentation at the same time in real time. Second, cloud based access. Your work is saved automatically, so you will not lose files. Third, it has templates and themes. They are simple but enough for basic and professional presentations. Fourth, it supports add ons and integrations. You can insert charts from Google Sheets, videos from YouTube, and more. Finally, it works on any device. All you need is an internet connection. Pros. Google Slides is completely free for most users. It's extremely easy to use even for beginners. Collaboration is smooth and fast. And since it's cloud based, there is no installation needed. Cons. Now, the downsides design options are limited compared to PowerPoint or Canva. Advanced animations and transitions are quite basic. And you need internet for the best experience, although offline mode exists but is limited. Performance and use cases. Google Slides works best for students making school presentations, teams collaborating remotely, quick business presentations, basic slideshows without heavy design needs. But it is not ideal for highly advanced design heavy presentations. Google Slides versus alternatives. Compared to PowerPoint, Google Slides is simpler but less powerful in design. Compared to Canva, it is less creative but better for real time collaboration. So it really depends on your needs, simplicity versus advanced design. Final verdict. So is Google Slides worth it? Yes, if you want a free, fast, and easy presentation tool with great collaboration features. But if you need advanced design control or professional level animations, you might want something more powerful. Overall, Google Slides is one of the best free tools for everyday presentations. And that is it for today's review. If you found it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment down below, and tell me if you have used Google Slides before or not. Share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new review.